This year sure was a tough one.
You say that every year.
That doesn't make it a lie.
He's not wrong, Bells.
I guess that's true, but do you really need to say that every year? It got annoying after, I don't know, the first 50 years?
Yeah, I know, but I just like saying it.
They're back.
We gotta tell Santa. Santa!
Yeah. What is it? I was just about to hand out presents.
Santa, it's the Snowstalkers!
They're back for another attack.
It seems as they blew up the front gate and are heading here right now.
What? Oh no ho ho. We don't have guards since they attacked for the first time. Go protect the workshop. I'll bring backup soon.
Yes, sir. That's it!
Jazzle, no! Jazzle, don't kill them!
Why not? They shouldn't have attacked us again.
We're not supposed to kill them. We're supposed to just make them run away. They're part of the magic that we need to hand out the presents in one night every year. Without them running away from the workshop, Christmas won't ever come again.
Yeah! Oh no, you don't!
We gotta get back for cover.
After you, then.
God damn it, Santa, where are you?
Ho ho ho! And do ho hon't come back next year, punks. Jazzle, into my office. Now. What did you think to yourself back then? We're not supposed to kill them.
And they're not supposed to attack twice in 1 year!
That may be true. But just because they broke the rules, that doesn't mean we need to break them as well.
Are you joking? That's exactly what it means.
Ugh. Look, I have to go and hand out the presents before the sunrise. Please, think about what happened and don't do it again next year.
Yes, Santa. Sorry.
Ooh, this one's for me.
And that one has my name.
Sweet, that one's mine.
And the last one is for... Wait. Why did I not get a present?
What do you mean? It must be here somewhere.
There's nothing.
Don't be sad. Come on, it's Christmas Day.
I know, but I expected at least something.
Hey, it'll be okay. I'm sure Santa didn't forget about you.
But I'm sure both of you forgot about the mistletoe I put on the ceiling yesterday.
Well, would you look at that?
I didn't plan this.
It's okay.
Until next year.